So, hi guys, welcome to Stunner Sir. So, what we are going to see today, secret of about bus book reading, and so before going into the secret of book reading, next concept, I'm completely upset with the way uh, people are watching the video or people are putting their efforts because what I would say you guys is like. I don't see anyone is putting much effort, so I'm completely like upset. Why? What is the reason? Because in the last video, the topic I have covered is lower value video, and in that I have not given the example of accept or reject. And no, it's like, see, it's not like I have to put the example of accept and reject scenario, but at least someone can reply me saying like the accept has happened on this day, the reject has happened on this day, but no one has done that also. Even in the even in the Nifty review analysis, whichever I'm giving, no one is commenting that today the acceptance of higher values happened, today the rejection of higher values. No one is commenting that also. I'm very upset with the way you guys are responding to me. Anyways, forget it. My um, the why the I started the YouTube channel is like I want to share the knowledge or secret of pivot bus, because it is the um, it is the it doesn't have a lagging indicator. It has a leading indicator. It works only with price action. It does not work with any indicators or any other criteria. So this should help people, and this will help people, and that is why I started uploading the videos. But the response in the views is also not good, and as well as the response, the way you guys react or the way you guys do your homework is also not making me feel good. So let's see, let me see, and let me see what is possible. And if I feel the if it is not like, if I don't get any proper response from you guys on the side of homework or any update on today this has happened, today that is, no, nothing is coming from your guest, then I may also concentrate something based on my the other languages, because some people are asking me to upload the videos in Hindi as well as in Tamil. So I will just cover those audiences, because they put a lot of efforts and they are asking like, we want to understand this, we are eager to know this, and they do some homework also. So I'll be helping them in that case. So let me see what is the response I get after this video. I'm expecting a lot of comments in this video. Let me see. So let's go into this video. Today the topic what you're going to cover is like overlapping lower value relationship. It is exactly opposite of overlapping higher value relationship. So in a overlapping lower value relationship, what happens is like the previous day CPR and today's CPR will be overlapping. The top of the previous day CPR TC will be above the TC of the current day CPR, and the bottom of the current day CPR will be at the below of the previous day CPR. What I wanted to say here is, let me put it in this way. Let's not do this. So this is the previous day CPR lines. Okay. So what will be in today's CPR is like, this is the TC, this is the CPR pivot, and this is the BC. So this is what is called as the overlapping lower value relationship. So in this criteria, what happens is like, this tells it is a moderately bearish bias is there. And if suppose the price is opening, if the price is opening below this candle, then any pullback can be a shorting opportunity. Or if the candle is opening at the CPR, then close below this BC will be a shorting opportunity. So that is what is explained very clearly and very simply in the overvalue relationship concept. And here, if you see this example, the previous day CPR was over here and the current day CPR is over here, and it is overlapping also. The previous day CPR has closed below the previous day candles has closed below the CPR, and next day it has a gap down and started moving down. So this is what the example, only one example which was given in the Secret of Pivot Bus book. So what I have done is like, my way of teaching you guys is like, give some examples. So overlapping lower value, I have taken the accept criteria. So this candles are like this CPR is overlapping, the candles of the previous day CPR has closed below the CPR, and then it was then the candle started closing. Sorry, the next day the candle started taking the resistance, which means it has gone for a pullback at CPR and started moving down. This is the acceptance criteria for overlapping over lower value relationship. This is the overlapping lower value rejection thing. So today, if you see, the current day CPR is below the previous day CPR, but it is also touching. That means it is overlapping lower values relationship, and the candles also is also at the CPR. It doesn't mean that the bias is not bullish or bearish. And then what has happened in exit? It was gone a huge gap up with nearly R2 above R2, and then took a support at R1 and then started moving up. So this is the reject scenario which I wanted to say in overlapping over value relationship. So this is all about this. This is all about the content in this video. If you like the video, kindly do like and share and comment. And the topic or the concern which I've told in the earlier part of this video, kindly respond to it, so that it will also at least tell me something from your side. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot.